This video walks you through how to set up custom fields in Gusto. Begin by signing in to your Gusto account, enter your account credentials, and continue to the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu for the main navigation options. From there, click People. This opens the area where employee-related settings and records are managed. After the People page loads, move to the top of that page and find the More option. Click More to open the Additional Actions menu connected to the People section. In that drop-down, select Custom Fields. This takes you to the part of Gusto where custom field settings can be created and managed. On the Custom Fields page, click Add Custom Field. This opens the setup form for a new field. The first item to enter is the name of the custom field. Type the name you want this field to use. Choose a name that clearly reflects the information the field is meant to collect, since this is the label that will appear when the field is available in the account. Next, if you want to include more context, enter a description for the field. This step is optional, so you can leave it blank if no description is needed. If you do add one, use it to clarify the purpose of the field or how it should be used by the people who will see it. After that, open the Field Type drop-down menu and select the type that fits the information you want to capture. Gusto uses this setting to determine how the field accepts input, so make sure the selected type matches the kind of value you expect users to enter. You will then choose who can fill out the field. Set the field so it can be completed by admin or by team members based on how you want the information to be collected. This setting matters because it controls who can interact with the custom field after it is created. Take a moment here to make sure the correct option is selected before moving on. With those details in place, review the field settings shown on the form. Check the field name, any description you entered, the selected field type, and the access setting for who can complete the field. This quick review helps confirm that the field is configured the way you want before it is added. When everything looks correct, click Add Field. Gusto will create the custom field using the settings you selected. Once the new field is added, it will appear in your custom fields list and be available according to the permissions and field type you set during setup. Your custom field is now created in Gusto and ready to use.